Most of the time in this industry, UI designers are not working alone. There could be a whole team of people from different disciplines working with you on your projects, each with different points of view and different communication needs. Think about how you can work effectively with these people. Some common roles you might work alongside are UX designers, who may be responsible for the more user-centered, behavioral and logical side of design. People who inhabit this role can sometimes be less visually minded with regard to the aesthetics and polish required for a finished product. Their design outputs can have a more stripped back, functional aesthetic as they are focusing on the design from a different perspective. Being a visually minded UX designer or having one on your team with the understanding of user interface design can be a great benefit. Having an eye for detail and being able to articulate feedback in the same language will make everyone's life easier. Some other roles are UX writers or content people. These may be responsible for the copy and tone of voice of the product. This is perhaps the most underappreciated role in design, although the industry as a whole is starting to understand the immense value good copy can bring to a product. It can be a differentiator, not just a nice to have. You will also work with front-end and back-end developers, as well as quality assurance testers. These are the people you'll be handing your designs over to build and to test. It's important to nurture strong relationships with them to ensure that your design intent makes its way through to the final build and into the hands of your users. You will work with product managers, researchers, and of course, clients and key stakeholders as you go. You're not alone, so thinking of how best to communicate with the team and deliver quality designs makes everyone's lives easier. Keep that in mind.